Automakers rarely select all-terrain tires as original equipment manufacturer options, given that most drivers prioritize well-rounded performance and longevity over specialized off-roading capabilities. However, owners of four-wheel drive vehicles, SUVs, and pickup trucks frequently require a versatile tire that excels when venturing off the beaten path and adapts seamlessly to various terrain types. The Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain radial tire emerges as an ideal solution for those seeking to upgrade, striking a balance between off-road prowess and everyday drivability. There are many all-terrain tire to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best all-terrain tire from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Cooper Discoverer All-Terrain Tire. The Cooper Discoverer All-Terrain Tire is a versatile and durable solution for drivers seeking optimal performance in all seasons and on various terrains. With a generous 60,000-mile treadwear warranty and a standard limited warranty, this tire offers peace of mind for long-term use. Its aggressive sidewall design, featuring deep, jagged patterns, enables superior rock climbing and mud plowing capabilities. The rugged traction shoulders not only enhance off-road performance for boulder crawling and mud handling, but also provide increased resistance to abrasion and punctures. Engineered to withstand the constant barrage of dirt and gravel, the Cooper Discoverer is designed to prevent cutting and chipping on rocky and gravel surfaces. This all-terrain tire excels in hauling heavy loads with reduced wear, showcasing its extreme durability. Number 2. Falken Wildpeak A3U All-Terrain Radial Tire. The Falken Wildpeak A3U all-terrain radial tire delivers uncompromising performance in all terrains and weather conditions, making it the ideal choice for adventure-seeking drivers. Its innovative heat diffuser technology in the lower sidewall efficiently dissipates heat, safeguarding internal tire components and ensuring vehicle stability even under heavy loads or while towing. The tire's 3D Canyon Cyper technology interlocks the shoulders, resisting wear from high torque and enhancing handling stability. Rugged and rigid tread blocks, complete with support ramps and step-down features, provide tread pattern rigidity in the contact patch, boosting vehicle stability and handling while preventing stone trapping in the grooves. An aggressive upper sidewall and offset shoulder blocks shield the tire from sharp rocks and offer additional off-road traction at low tire pressures or in off-camber situations. Number 3. General Grabber All-Terrain Radial Tire. The General Grabber All-Terrain Radial Tire is a versatile and reliable choice for drivers seeking a balance of off-road prowess and on-road comfort. With up to 60,000 miles of limited manufacturer tread life coverage, this tire offers long-lasting performance and peace of mind, optimized to deliver superior off-road traction without compromising on-road capabilities. The General Grabber ensures a smooth and dependable driving experience across diverse terrains. Its durable construction is engineered to withstand the challenges of off-road adventures, while the rugged and aggressive tread design provides the necessary grip for tackling tough conditions. Despite its robust performance, the tire maintains low road noise, giving drivers and passengers a quiet and comfortable ride. Number 4. BF Goodrich All-Terrain Radial Tire. The BF Goodrich All-Terrain Radial Tire is the ultimate choice for Jeep, pickup truck, and SUV enthusiasts seeking uncompromising performance both on and off the road. As the original equipment on iconic 4x4 vehicles like the Ford Raptor and Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, this tire has proven its mettle in the most demanding conditions, engineered to instill confidence and control across diverse terrains. From mud and dirt to sand and rocks, the BFO Goodrich All-Terrain Radial tire delivers outstanding durability without sacrificing ride comfort. Its year-round traction capabilities, including severe winter performance, earning the coveted 3-peak mountain snowflake status, ensure reliable handling even in snowy conditions. With a vehicle-specific fit type and an impressive load capacity of 3,415 pounds, this tire is tailored to meet the unique needs of your 4x4. Number 5. Yokohama Geolandar All-Terrain Radial Tire. The Yokohama Geolandar All-Terrain Radial Tire is a high-performance solution designed to conquer diverse driving conditions with confidence. Its innovative 3-rib design ensures reliable year-round performance and traction, while the incorporation of micro-silica enhances dry performance stability. An in-locked polymer keeps the compound pliable, delivering tenacious grip on wet roads and in snowy conditions. The reinforced shoulder provides excellent stability and grip, further enhancing the tire's all-terrain capabilities. 4 circumferential grooves effectively channel water away from the tread, resulting in powerful braking on wet surfaces and increased hydroplaning resistance. To prioritize driver and passenger comfort, the Geolander features a 5-pitch block variation specifically engineered to reduce pattern and road noise. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.